counting dead people. Got the trap looking like a mold. I'm counting dead people, ducking fed people. I ain't trying to go back to court. Blood with Colombians through the Mexicans. I got work coming to the port. I'm counting paper up, whipping babies up.
YouTube, welcome back to another banger with your boy Dre. So today for y'all, I'm gonna be installing another battery in the back of my car. So we got the battery. As y'all can see, we got some zero gauge wire, and we already got wire ran from the battery up front, so that's gonna hook straight to the positive back here. Then we already got it grounded back here, so that's gonna hook to this ground, and then we're gonna go from there. So yeah, stay tuned while I set this camera up so y'all can watch the whole process. This is the Haas amp. I'm gonna have 4 gauge running from here. And here the bass amp, 2000 watt. Y'all know that's 0 gauge. Alright, now to put these terminals on. Alright, so this ring right here ain't big enough to go over top of this, so now I gotta drill it. So I'll be right back once I get that drill. Alright, so I'm back with the drill bit, but I don't think this drill bit fits straight through it. So I think I'm just have to work my way around it. We getting there. Bingo. But I don't know if you're supposed to put duct tape on it because it might melt, but since I ain't got no solder right now, I'm gonna just duct tape it real quick, and then basically I just gotta do this real quick so I can go to this meeting. I hate riding without bass, so this should be something temporary until I can get it on there 100% of the way, which I probably just solder it. Just take the wire in the house or bring an extension cord out and solder it. But hopefully this hold for a couple days. Well, until tomorrow. After I get off work tomorrow, I have more time to mess with it and make sure it's actually secured. But I think this should hold up until tomorrow after work. That's even if I go to work. But so we got the power ready to go. So what we gotta do is run another power wire from here to the amp. So we're just gonna use this. Well, no, I can use that for the ground. Oh, we already got one for the ground. And that fit right on. So we straight with that. We'll just do it with this. Got that side strip. This one goes straight into the amp. Let me see. Straight into the amp. This part, we're gonna put another. Well, not straight into the amp. I gotta connect it to the fuse block. Oh man, I ain't even got enough of these. We got one side in. This side go to battery. Got a 200 amp fuse for the bass speaker, so I could connect this right now because it's not the amp not fuse not in between the amps, so it's no connection going to here. So this is not live. So we got that battery hooked up. So we got this coming from the battery up front, this going to the amp back here, this coming from the ground back here, and I'm gonna run another ground from here to the amp. Let's clean some of this trunk out so I could bring my speakers out. Another fuse, and I'm gonna put this fuse up front, in between the fuse block up front. My bad, my alarm was going off, I don't know why. Oh, I set it off in my pocket, I'm tripping. Because this is my first time ever doing it, hooking another battery up in the back. I know it's the same way, but because this is not a play car, this is my Infiniti. I paid a lot of money for this damn car, so I'm gonna just go ask my stepdad to come double check and make sure that's how everything's supposed to look before I go hook fuses up and make everything live. Always double check if you're not sure. So, but I believe this is the correct way to do it. So I'll be right back, y'all.
Let me see what you got.
All right, so ground coming from here, ground going to the battery.
Ground going to the amp.
Yeah, this ground going to the amp. This ground coming from here.
This ground coming to the amp. Why is that?
Alright, this is the high wire. Fuse is right here. I didn't connect the fuse yet.
Oh, you got the block. Okay.
Yeah. I put another fuse block, and this is coming from the battery.
Yep, that's right.
Oh, all right. Oh, it just came up.
Riding on the way, you gon' wash away. I came in by today. Listen, I was that nigga with the ticket doing. When we got caught, ain't do no tripping.
Oh my God.
Like a rock, it won't change us. I won't change us. I put that shit on his mama. We trying to slip off the car. But off with the
fresh
Thank
you. So we got it. It was hit nowhere near this. Nah, I really gotta get a sound dampen back here so I can get all that rattle gone. But that's all I got for y'all today. That was a quick little install. But yeah, stay tuned, we got way more coming.